Cookery Exploratory course for grade 7 and 8. Most essential learning competencies. Milk number 2. Maintain appropriate kitchen tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. In this lesson, you will learn to select various types of chemicals for cleaning and sanitizing kitchen tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. Clean and sanitize kitchen tools and equipment following manufacturer's instruction. Use cleaning tools, equipment, and paraphernalia in accordance to standard operating procedures. Maintain kitchen tools, equipment, and work areas. Properly hand wash by World Health Organization. How do I wash my hands properly? Washing your hands properly takes about as long as singing happy birthday twice using the images. Wet hands with water. Apply enough salt to cover all hand surfaces. Rub hands palm to palm. Right palm over left dorsum with interlaced fingers and vice versa. Palm to palm with fingers and interlaced. Backs of fingers to opposing palms with fingers interlock. Rotational rubbing or left thumb laps in right palm and vice versa. Rotational rubbing backwards and towards with claps fingers of right hand in left palm and vice versa. Rinse hands with water. Dry thoroughly with a single-use towel. Use towel to turn off faucet, and your hands are safe. Key times to wash hands. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention or CDC. You can help yourself and your loved ones stay healthy by washing your hands often, especially during these key times when you are likely to get and spread germs. Before, during, and after preparing food. Before eating food. Before and after caring for someone at home who is sick with vomiting or diarrhea. Before and after treating a cut or wound. After using the toilet. After changing diapers or cleaning up a child who has used the toilet. After blowing your nose. Coughing or sneezing. After touching an animal, animal fed, or animal waste. After handling pet food or pet treats. After touching garbage. Cleaning and sanitizing. Cleaning and sanitizing procedures must be part of the standard operating procedures that make up your food safety program. Improperly cleaned and sanitized surfaces allow harmful microorganisms to be transferred from one food to another food. Cleaning is the process of removing food and the other types of soil from a surface, such as a dish, glass, or cutting board. Cleaning is done with a cleaning agent that removes food, soil, or other substances. The right cleaning agent must be selected because not all cleaning agents can be used on food contact surfaces. A food contact surface is a surface of equipment or utensils that food normally comes into contact. For example, glass cleaners. Some metal cleaners and most bathroom cleaners cannot be used because they might leave an unsafe residue on the food contact surface. The label should indicate if the product can be used on a food contact surface. The right cleaning agent must also be selected to make cleaning easy. Cleaning agents are divided into 4 categories. 1. Detergent. Use detergent to routinely wash tableware, surfaces, and equipment. Detergents can penetrate soil quickly and soften it. Examples: dishwashing detergent and automatic dishwasher detergents. 2. Solvent cleaner. Used periodically on surfaces where grease has burned on. Solvent cleaners are often called degreasers. 3. Acid cleaners. Used periodically on mineral deposits and other soils that detergents cannot remove. These cleaners are often used to remove scale in washing machines and steam tables. Abrasive cleaners. Use these abrasive cleaners to remove heavy accumulation of soil that are difficult to remove with detergents. Some abrasive cleaners also disinfect, clean food contact surfaces that are used to prepare potentially hazardous foods as needed throughout the day, but no less than every 4 hours. If they are not properly cleaned, food that meets these surfaces could become contaminated. Sanitizing. Sanitizing is done using heat, radiation, or chemicals. Heat and chemicals are commonly used as a method for sanitizing in a restaurant. Radiation rarely is. The item to be sanitized must first be washed properly before it can be properly sanitized. Some chemical sanitizers, such as chlorine and iodine, react with food and soil, and so will be less effective on a surface that has not been properly cleaned. Sanitizing methods. Number 1, heat. There are 3 methods of using heat to sanitize surfaces: steam, hot water, and hot air. Hot water is the most common method used in restaurants. If hot water is used in the third compartment of a 3-compartment sink, it must be at least 171 degrees Fahrenheit or 77 degrees Celsius. If a high-temperature washing machine is used to sanitize clean dishes, the final sanitizing rinse must be at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius. For stationary rack, single-temperature machines, it must be at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Clean items must be exposed to these temperatures for at least 30 seconds. Number 2, chemicals. Chemicals that are approved sanitizers are chlorine, iodine, and quaternary ammonium. Different factors influence the effectiveness of a chemical sanitizer. The 3 factors that must be considered are: 1. Concentration. The presence of too little sanitizer will result in an inadequate reduction of harmful microorganisms. Too much can be toxic. 2. Temperature. Generally, chemical sanitizers work best in water that is between 55 degrees Fahrenheit or 13 degrees Celsius and 120 degrees Fahrenheit or 49 degrees Celsius. 3. Contact time. For the sanitizer to kill harmful microorganisms, the cleaned item must be in contact with the sanitizer, either heat or approved chemical, for the recommended length of time.